Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Lucy Bedroque. I covered their song Tether off of their collab EP with Egobreak. Obviously, I'm not gonna sound exactly like Lucy since we have two entirely completely different voices, but the preset is as similar as I could get it, and if not better, depending on like, you know, what you think, I guess. But yeah, I actually really like this preset. I think it's one of my best ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play it now.
Sick of the Fridays. Had to start a family, we play frisbee. My son got a white mom, would've thought I'd break me. Not much of a fight, I'll bring a pinky.
Alright, so obviously, yeah, this preset is gonna use OTT. And I did need to use routes for this one, so I'm gonna show you how to get that. So right here, so let's go in the blank area. So right here, you're trying, you know, open up a new project. Trying to get the main. Once you download it and everything, put on whichever one, and then you get the route for the main, and then you go back to the main. You unlink it right here from the master, and you link it to the route for the main, and there you go. That's all you gotta do, literally it. And then you do the same things for the layers. So left layer, right layer, and route for layers. You unlink it from the master, link it to the main, the route for layers, unlink it to the master, and link it to the route for layers. And that's quite literally all you gotta do. And yeah, so yeah, that's really it for that. I'm gonna go ahead and play the presets again, but I'm gonna play just the vocals so you can hear a more accurate representation of what it sounds like.
Won't you listen to me? So deprived without you kissing me. Like the sun's got high. Why was I you decided? No, I want you listen to me. I'm so deprived without you kissing me. So I'm misguided. She wanted the rape, I can't take her to Fridays. Had to start a family, we play frisbee. My son got a white mom, would've thought I'd break me. Not much of a fighter, I'll bring a blinky. But pass up the light, I'm about to chief this spliffy. Guys, I jump.
Yeah, I'm gonna play like a little section again, but I'm gonna start it with turning off all the presets, and I'm gonna switch them on and off while the sound is playing.
Won't you listen to me? So deprived without you kissing me. Like the sun's got high. Why was I you decided? No, I want you listen to me. I'm so deprived without you kissing me.
Alright, so yeah, that's really it. Obviously the routes. So the main reason why I use these routes is to have like more just effects on the vocals itself that I couldn't really fit on here, because you know all these are being all used up, and that's really it. Like, it's not necessary, realistically it's not necessary to have a route, but it's just a way better sound in my opinion anyway, either way. So yeah, honestly that's really it. I know a lot of y'all asking for a Lucy Bedroque video, and so I tried my best to deliver for y'all. And yeah, if y'all need any help with any of my presets, always DM me on Instagram or email me. If you want me to work on a custom preset for you, tweak to your voice, always you could also DM me on that for those reasons too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I appreciate you guys' time. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good day, and yeah, peace out.